Hi, fourth graders. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a new application on your Rapid Identity to create a thank you Earth card like you were supposed to do in your activity. So remember, you can use Google Drawings, which I will show you how to do in a different video, but for this one we're going to use this one right here called Adobe Spark in your Rapid Identity. So let's go ahead and click here. Alright, Miss McCoy is already logged in as herself. It may pop up where you need to log in, and click the one that says log in through Google, and you can use your Rapid Identity to be able to do that. If you're having any issues with that, please reach out to your teacher. Alright, so we're going to make a flyer that says our thank you to Earth. So I'm going to click here at the plus sign over on the left and click on the very first one that says flyer. It's going to load for a second, and then it will pop up with a bunch of different templates. So over here to the side, right now the word flyer is what it looked up, so it's going to be more random, generic templates. We want something more specific because we are making thank you Earth cards. So first you kind of need to choose what you are most thankful for that the Earth provides for us. So you could look up something just kind of simple like Earth, and it is going to pull up a lot of different templates you could use. So if you're really thankful for the plants, the trees, the flowers it provides, here's just a picture of our Earth. Oh, volcanoes, more flowers. So you can choose anything that you are thankful for. This looks like the desert. If you really love the mountains, if you love the rivers, the waterfalls, you can look things up like that. So I could look up flowers, and it's going to pull up a bunch of flower templates. I could look up waterfall, and it's going to pull up waterfall templates. And Miss McCoy loves the ocean, so these are the templates that I want to look at and use. So you can go down and just kind of look. Don't spend too much time. Kind of look up top and then just decide on one. Well, do you think this one's really pretty, or this one? I think I'll go here. So you're going to click on it. Don't look at the words too much. Don't worry about that because you get to change the words. I kind of like that one, but I think I'm actually leaning more towards this one because it doesn't have the surfer in it. So once you pick the one that you want, you're going to press create. Okay, and to be able to change the words, like I said, we're going to need to do, you're going to double click on them. So I double clicked on the word inhale, and I'm going to change that to thank you. I'm going to change confidence to Earth. And then I do want you to include at least one thing you are thankful for from the Earth. So right here, instead of exhale, I'm going to say, I am thankful the Earth provides me with the beautiful ocean. Okay, and then when I'm done, I'm going to press done. Alright, that's a lot, and I definitely don't want to leave it there, so I can get rid of doubt. I don't need that. So all I did was click on it and then press the delete button on my keyboard, and I can move this down. Alright, so I do like the way it's looking so far, but it is a little bit hard for me to read this. So what I can do is I can, over here, I can change the text color, I can change the font, I can change the size of the font. I can make it have a shadow on it. So over here, I think I'm going to change the, so something that I can see a little bit better, I know I'd want to use. There we go. So I'm thankful that the Earth provides me with a beautiful ocean. And we can change the text color as well. I definitely want it something that I can still read. Okay, and if I like that one, maybe I just need to move it up a little bit. There you go, so I can read that. So it's as simple as that to create your thank you earth card, and then you're going to include one thing you are thankful that the earth provides us with. And when you are done, you are going to press download right here. Also, let me just show you. So over here with this add button, you could add a text box. Say you deleted one you didn't mean to, you can add a text box to be able to write in. You can add a photo. So mine already has a picture of the ocean, but if I wanted to add, you know, a picture of a dolphin to go with this, or if I wanted to add another picture of the ocean or a crab, anything like that, I could click photo here, and you would want to find free photos. So I could look up dolphin, and it's going to give me some pictures of dolphins, and then I could always put that into, so let's see, right there, and I can resize it, make it a little bit smaller. Oh, it's wanting me to crop it. I think that's good right there. Okay, and then you can just move it over right here. So you can insert a photo if that's what you want to do. I don't really like the way that it looks with mine, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. You can change colors, background. You can play around with this. But once you are done, what you want to do is press download. And we can download it as that first one, a PNG. And we're going to start the download. So this is going to download onto your computer. And once you have it downloaded onto your computer, it's going to be on your computer, so then you can upload it as a file onto your Canvas course. If you're not able to do this part, please reach out to your teacher.